In this video, I'll show you how to get Kodak-style film tones in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. No studio features are required, so this works in the free version. Let's get started. Select your clip and move to the color page. Add 2 serial nodes, then rename the first one Input and the second one Look. On the Input node, open the Effects panel, search for Color Space Transform, and drag it onto the node. Set the input color space and input gamma to match your camera and how the footage was recorded. This step is important to get accurate color before applying a film look. Next, set the output color space to Rec 709 and the output gamma to Cineon Film Log. Now go to the Look node. Open the LUTs panel, navigate to Film Looks, search for Kodak 2383, and apply it to this node. If the look feels too strong, lower the node key output on the Look node to fine-tune the intensity. That's it. This simple setup gives you classic Kodak film tones in the free version of DaVinci Resolve.